So you're thinking about breaking into artificial intelligence, right? But maybe you don't have a computer science degree or a huge budget for training. Well, you have come to the exact right place. Today, we are counting down the top 5 AI certifications specifically for absolute beginners. We're going to figure out which ones are actually worth your time and which one takes that #1 spot.
First, though, let's just set the stage a little. AI isn't some science fiction thing anymore. It is here, right now. Just look at this. A wild 79% of companies are already using it. But here's the real kicker. 41% of them, that's nearly half, are struggling to make it work. And why? It's a massive talent gap. They've got the tech, but they don't have the people who know how to use it. That gap, that's your way in.
So the billion-dollar question is, how do you become one of those people they are scrambling to find? How do you raise your hand and say, hey, I get this stuff? For a whole lot of people, the answer starts with getting certified.
But let's be real for a second. There is a ton of debate online about this. Are these online certificates just a bunch of hype, or can they actually help you land a job? Before we even get to our countdown, we got to tackle that question head on.
Okay, first, a really quick but super important distinction. A certificate basically says you finished a course. It's like a receipt for learning, right? A certification, though, that means you passed a formal, often proctored exam. It's a real credential. For what we're doing today, we're going to look at both. Because honestly, when you're just starting, they both have their place.
Now, let's talk about the skepticism. I pulled this comment straight from Reddit. And the point is, if a cert is free and there's no proctor watching you, couldn't you just Google all the answers? And if so, why would an employer care? And you know what? That is a totally fair point.
But, and this is a huge but, for somebody just starting from zero, these things are an absolute game changer. Why? Well, for one, they show you're motivated. 2, they pack your resume with the right keywords to get past those automated screening bots. 3, they give you a roadmap so you're not just learning randomly. And check this out. One study found that just having professional certifications on your resume can boost your interview chances by almost 3 times. So yeah, they absolutely help get your foot in the door.
All right, with all of that out of the way, it is time for the main event. Let's get to it. Let's count down our top 5 AI certifications for total beginners, starting at number 5.
Kicking off our list, coming in hot at number 5, we've got a heavy hitter from one of the biggest names in tech.
It is the Microsoft Azure AI Fundamentals, also known as the AI 900. Now, this is a true certification. It costs around $99, give or take, and you have to pass a formal 45-minute proctored exam. This is for anybody who wants a globally recognized credential that says, I know the basics of AI on a major cloud platform. So here's our take. If you see yourself working in a big company, especially one that already uses Microsoft stuff, this is an incredible starting point. It's the most official credential on our beginner list, and it sends a really strong signal to employers that you get it.
All right, let's move on to number 4. If the Microsoft cert is all about that corporate credibility, this next one is about a very specific, very modern skill. At number 4, we have IBM's Generative AI Prompt Engineering Basics, which you can find on Coursera. For the price of a monthly subscription, you get about 9 hours of training in probably the hottest new skill in AI, prompt engineering. Basically, this is for anyone, marketers, writers, students, you name it, who wants to learn how to properly talk to AI.
Think of this one as a pure skill certificate. It's not about learning the theory of AI. It's about learning a practical, hands-on skill you can start using tomorrow. Seriously, knowing how to get amazing results out of tools like ChatGPT is practically a superpower these days.
And now for our number 3 spot. This one comes to us from a certified legend in the AI world.
It's AI for Everyone from deeplearning.ai. This course is taught by the one and only Andrew Ng, and it is famous for a really good reason. In just about 6 hours, it breaks down what AI is for non-technical people. It's perfect for managers, marketers, executives, anyone who needs to understand AI strategy without getting lost in all the code.
Okay, we're getting close. Our runner-up, the second best AI certification for a beginner is DataCamp's AI Fundamentals. For about $25 a month, you get a 10-hour track that is laser-focused on how AI is used in business. What really makes this one shine is its interactive, hands-on approach, and crucially, absolutely no coding is required. It's designed to make these big ideas actually stick, even if you're not a tech person.
And now, the moment we've all been waiting for. Our number 1 pick, the absolute best AI certification for an absolute beginner is
Drumroll, please. Elements of AI from the University of Helsinki. This is it. This is, without a doubt, the single best place for anyone to start. It is incredibly comprehensive, taking anywhere from 30 to 60 hours. It's backed by a major university, and over 1 million people have taken it. But the best part? The absolute killer feature? It is completely 100% free.
Look, our takeaway here is simple. You just can't beat free, especially when the quality is this high. This course was basically created as a public service to the world to help educate as many people as possible about AI. It is the perfect, no-risk, high-reward first step you can possibly take on your journey.
So, now you have the list. But earning the certificate is really only half the battle, right? How do you make sure that it actually gets you noticed?
It's actually super simple. On your resume or your LinkedIn, create a brand new section called Certifications. Then list the full official title of the course, who issued it, so University of Helsinki or Microsoft, and then just add the date you finished it. That little date shows your skills are fresh and makes it dead simple for recruiters to see what you've accomplished.
We've covered the why, the what, and the how. The only question left is the one for you. Now that you know exactly where you can start, which AI skill are you going to build first? The opportunity is right there, waiting for you.